Good morning this Tuesday, the 10th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Over in the US, Wall Street started the new trading week in positive territory as investors bought into the dip following Wall Street's worst week in a year last week. The Dow Jones rose 1.2% on Monday. The S&P 500 climbed 1.16% in the recovery after the index posted its worst week since March 2023 last week, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended Monday's session up 1.16%. Investor eyes are now firmly focused in the US on the Fed's rate decision, which is expected to be a cut announced later this month. In Europe overnight, it was a positive start to the week in the region as the STOXX 600 rose 0.76%, led by travel and leisure stocks, while Germany's DAX added 0.77%, the French CAC rose 0.99%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended Monday's trading session up 1.09%. Across the Asia markets on Monday, key economic data in the region painted a picture of eased economic stability, which weighed on investor sentiment on Monday. Japan's Q2 GDP came in at 2.9% on an annual basis, which fell short of economists' expectations of a 3.2% rise. Japan's Nikkei closed Monday's session down 0.48%, Hong Kong's Seng lost 1.42%, and China's CSI index ended the day down 1.2%. On Monday, China's CSI, or Consumer Price Index, climbed by 0.6% year-on-year in August, which fell short of economists' expectations and paints a further concerning picture about the economic recovery of the world's second largest economy. China's Producer Price Index also fell 1.8% year-on-year in August, which was also a worse reading than economists were expecting, led by declines in the price of oil, coal and other fuel industries due to insufficient domestic demand and a drag from the country's real estate sector. The local market started the new trading week in negative territory with a fall of 0.32% as investor sentiment was dampened by jobs data out in the US on Friday, signalling a weakening labour environment in the world's largest economy. The big banks and energy stocks led the losses on Monday, while rate-sensitive sectors, real estate and tech stocks, rallied to offset some of the heavy losses. Domino's Pizza shares fell over 2.5% on Monday after the pizza giant was served with a class action from shareholders on allegations the company misled investors in 2021 about expected performance in Japan. Domino's said it will defend against the legal proceedings and denies any liability. Taking a look at commodities this morning, oil is trading 1.5% higher at $68.68 a barrel. Gold is up 0.66% at $2,503 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.34% at $91.61 a tonne. The Aussie dollar has slightly weakened overnight to buy 66.68 US cents, 95.17 Japanese yen, 50.87 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX to open the day up just shy of 1%, and that's following Wall Street's rally overnight. And we will likely see investors locally react to Westpac's consumer confidence data for September out this morning, with a forecast of a 1.2% decline from a 2.8% rise in August, while now business confidence data for August is also out today, with a forecast of a rise to 3 points from 1 point in July. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased a 12-month price target on Premier Investments from $35 a share to $37 a share and maintain a buy rating on the leading retail investment company following the release of an update out of the company, including FY24 post AASB 16 or lease-related payments guide, EBIT of $341 million. The increase in the price target is due to Bell Potter's analyst seeing upside to the company's share price from the potential demerger of Premier Investments' two key brands, Smiggle and Peter Alexander, which are highly profitable and global rollout worthy. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Aurora following the formation of a pattern over a period of 22 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $2.61 to the range of $1.70 to $1.85, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday morning. Have a terrific day and happy investing.